First word, if I have to put it in, is just really proud. You know, this is something which is a lot of joy, a lot of happiness. I really need to now pinch myself to see if it's really real, you know. And you know, especially when the rain gods are happy, you see the vehicle and it starts pouring, you know, it's like as if it's quenching what you have wished for and asked for. And I think this is where you come in. और एक वो खुशबू होती है ना, when you get into a car and everybody says कि अरे वो मेरे को नए गाड़ी की खुशबू आ रही है. So you know, it is the fragrance that moment you enter a car like this, you know, it is the fragrance of our country that is so strong, and it says to the world, to the automobile world, that there is more force to us. This entire space like it's your home, and when you look out a window, trust me, some of the windows look bigger than your windows of your own home. And to add more to it, you know, if you want to go from your sitting room to your bedroom, all what you just need to do is this, you know, and it literally feels like you are sitting in the comfort of your own bedroom now from your sitting room, which is just great, you know. And I think the fact that it allows you more mobility with your friends, family, to all get under one roof. I'm almost a 6-foot person and I can stand so comfortably within this space, you know, which is exceptionally rare. But I have to tell you that you have to experience and be in it to know what it really feels like. When this car was brought and it was parked in front of the house, all the people who were passing by and everything, not to my surprise at all. और सबसे पहला सवाल क्या था? अरे भाई कौन सी देश की गाड़ी है ये? So you know, one was so happy to say कि नहीं, आत्मा हिंदुस्तान की है. You know, so it is to be able to really see the pleasure and the smiles on people's faces, which I think when you see the vehicle, I can assure you that that is something that your own soul, your own heart is also going to say and scream the same thing. Where is this from? And when you realize that this is something which is Indian, born and brought up in our land, I think it's going to make you feel that much more prouder of being an Indian. I think the one thing that has been exceptionally unique and different this time around is the name of the vehicle, which is Urbania. And I think this name is not only true in its entirety, but it's also true in letter and in spirit. Indian automobile industry can knock the doors of the international world and say that we have arrived. Urbania is not only a name, it is an experience. When are you experiencing Urbania?